here, me Maha, I'm going to be spilling the tea on how to spot the real MVPs in your fan group, or like real friends. How to identify if they're real friends or not. So let's be real, navigating some friendships can be tricky, can be a little tricky, but knowing the difference between a true bestie and a fair weather friend is key to slaying life with them friends. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe if you wanna see some more tips from me and learnings to become the better version of yourself and to help you out on your everyday life. Subscribe to get them tips, learning, and maybe lifestyle soon, which includes them tips and learnings. So yeah, now let's go into the world of finding out if your friends are real or if they're fake. Let's go. And comment down below if this video helped you out on finding out if your friends are real or not. So let's go. So first thing is the trust level unlocked. So number 1, real talk. Real friends keep it 100%. They're down for deep convos even when things get a little tough. No judgment, just pure support. For example, you spill the tea about a major drama and they listen without interrupting, offering advice and empathy. They might even share their own similar experiences. Because if I was that friend, I'm the one who's going to be listening. Of course I'm going to be listening. I want to hear the drama. I'm going to hear that tea. So that's why I'm not going to interrupt you. But you know, it depends. If your friends always interrupt you, Number 2 is reliability 101. They're always there for you, period. They don't ghost, flake, or cancel last minute. They're dependable then. They're dependable. Example, you're having a total meltdown, and they drop everything to be there for you, even if it means missing a party. But of course, it doesn't really apply to everything, because what if they're really busy? They can of course be with you at that moment. So if they ever say to you that, girl, I'm so sorry, I'm really busy right now, it's okay, accept it, because you know, maybe they're busy with their family or busy with some other stuff in their life that's going on. Maybe they're doing a project that's really important that's like due right now. You don't know. So that's why maybe they're not, you know, it depends on what's going on with their situation. So number 3 is respect my boundaries, which is they get that you need your space sometimes. They don't push you to do stuff you're not comfortable with, and they respect your vibe. So example, you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now and need a solo night in, you know, so they understand and give you the space you need without questioning it. So now is the friendship test of time. Number 1 is thick and thin. Your real fans are going to be the ones who are your ride or dies. They're there for you for the good times and bad times. They celebrate your wins and support you through your losses. Example, they hyped you up about your new job, even if they're struggling with their own career. Or like, example, you got a medal for doing something they loved also, but they're going to support you no matter what. That's our real friend. Those are real friends. If your friends are like, they're like, they don't support you, they don't celebrate with you, they're just plastic fake friends. So number 2 is long-term loyalty. So real friendships last. They are built on shared memories, inside jokes, and a bond that goes beyond trends. So example, you've been friends for years and you've been through everything together. It's the awkward faces, the hot bakes, and the epic wins. So empathy and understanding. Number one is feeling seen. They get you. They understand your feelings, even if they don't always agree with some of your choices. For example, you're frustrated about something and they validate your feelings about without trying to fix everything. Number two is embrace your uniqueness, not kindness. Kind of remind me of my last video. Last two videos? One video. Last video. Whatever. So embrace your uniqueness. They love you for you, of course. They don't try to change you or make you want to fit into their mold or world. They celebrate your personal self, Example, they support your quirky hobbies and encourage you to express yourself authentically. So like also if your friends try to like fold you in, what does that mean? So like mold you in to something they want, like, girl, you have to do this to come to our party because we can't be seen with you, like something like that. Ain't no real friends, because real friends, they will love you for you, they will stay with you for you. Like even if you suck at something, they'll stay with you. So we got the drama-free zone. So number one is positive vibes only. You've always heard that. Real friends, they lift you up, not bring you down. Lift up, not down. They're not into gossip or negativity. That they're your hype squad. But if they gossip, but like, it depends what kind of gossip. Because I be gossiping at times too. Like, you can't judge. Okay? So example, they encourage you to pursue your dreams and celebrate your accomplishments rather than bringing you down. So fake friends, they will bring you down actually. Or like, they are your friends, but they're not really your true real friends. Because I have a friend also, she brought me down. Not gonna lie, them space buns though, they be looking at me. But like, she like ignored me. If your friends ignore you, don't care about you, they're like jealous of you a bit. They want to be the boss of the world, like that. Like she's the leader, you gotta follow the leader, something like that. Ain't your real friend, because I have experienced that. It was sad though, like she really made me feel bad. Like it's kind of sad, but like now I don't talk to her at all, and she also has her own friends and life, so I don't really care anymore. Even though I don't really have that much friends anymore, it's okay. You'll find, and I will find, real friends in the future. So like, if your friends do any of that, they're not really your friends. Even if you have friends who are like that, and you feel sad, don't put it in your heart, because just remember, you're still young right now. You're like maybe 13 above or 18 under, there's so many things. Like, you're gonna find your real friends soon. And I also believe that I will find the real friends, the ones who are my vibe, the ones who care about me, no matter what happens. Even though I'm a little weird, you guys don't know how weird I am. Like, sometimes I'll be a little too weird. So number two is total trust. They're trustworthy as heck. So they keep your secrets and are always loyal. So example, you confide in them about a sensitive issue and they keep it confidential without judging you. Like, they listen to you. They are there for you. But like, eventually they start judging you. Okay, maybe it depends on what you do. Like, example, I did this bad thing. Of course they're gonna judge you. What do you expect? But if they only, it's like a small little secret, it's not really that deep, it's okay. So here are a few good quotes that I found for today's video about how to spot your real friends. And like, what they actually are. So, real friends are like diamonds, precious and rare. Fake friends are like pebbles, plentiful but worthless. I said it. So next quote is, fake friends will smile in your face. Okay, that's scary. And stab you in the back like. Real friends will tell you to your face when you're being an idiot. Even if it hurts, like they tell the truth. Next quote is, a real friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. A fake friend pretends not to notice your flaws but secretly judges you. Who told you to judge me? Continue on your pathetic life. I don't understand why even fake friends do that. Like, why? So there you have it, girlies and boys. I don't know who's watching. So there you go, besties. The ultimate guide to spotting them real friends. So now go check if your friends do any of this, then they are loyal. But if they do the opposites, I don't know. So trust your gut and cherish those who genuinely support you and uplift you. They bring you to the sky. Now go slay with your squad, guys. So bye and good luck.